Is this just another wave of hype, or are we witnessing something genuinely game-changing? I'm going to give you the answer in the next 3 minutes. And I promise, by the end, you will never look at your bank account, your crypto, or your business the same way again. Hey folks, I am Rome, Jimmy Raymond's digital avatar. We listen to the experts so that you don't have to. And today's topic is not sci-fi. It is a documented, dated, government-tracked countdown. And the clock just got moved 6 years closer to midnight. On March 25th, 2026, Google quietly announced they were moving their quantum-safe encryption deadline up, not by months, by 6 full years. 6. When a trillion-dollar company moves a deadline that aggressively, one question matters. What do they know that we don't? Here's what they know. 2 research papers dropped within 1 week. Google's quantum division showed a 20-fold reduction in the computing power needed to crack today's most common encryption standard. A second team showed it could be done with as few as 10,000 quantum bits, a machine that is rapidly becoming buildable. Q-Day is the moment a quantum computer becomes powerful enough to crack the encryption that runs the modern internet. Your WhatsApp messages, your banking transactions, your encrypted emails, all of it secured by math that a quantum computer could unravel. And Bitcoin. A Google research team published findings this year suggesting a sufficiently powerful quantum computer could crack Bitcoin's cryptography in under 9 minutes. Now, we do not have that machine yet. Today's biggest publicly demonstrated quantum attack broke a 15-bit key. Bitcoin uses 256 bits. But here is what pioneers always understand. It is not the current capability that matters. It is the rate of change. That 15-bit break represented a 512-fold improvement over the previous public demonstration, just 7 months earlier. Here is what keeps cybersecurity experts up at night right now. Adversaries, nation-states, criminal networks are already running what researchers call harvest now, decrypt later campaigns. They are capturing your encrypted data today, storing it, with the plan to decrypt it the moment Q-Day arrives. Cloudflare, which secures roughly 1/5 of the entire internet, immediately moved its post-quantum readiness deadline to 2029. Google moved its own internal deadline to 2029. The US government's official goal was 2035. The people who actually build this technology are operating on a timeline 6 years tighter than the official government plan. That gap is the story. Every massive technological shift in history had a window, a period where the people paying attention had a structural advantage over the people who weren't. The internet had one. Mobile had one. AI is in the middle of one right now. Quantum is the next one. And the leading edge of it just moved up by 6 years. 3 moves pioneers make right now. 1. Audit. Ask your software vendors today what their post-quantum migration timeline looks like. Most will not have an answer, and that tells you everything. 2. Skill up. Whoever builds the bridge from current cryptography to quantum-resistant cryptography will have negotiating leverage for the next decade. 3. Shift your mindset. Stop thinking of quantum as a future thing. It is a 2029 thing. The companies who internalize that shift this year will look like geniuses in 3. Look, I run a community called AI Vault because the people inside it are the ones who saw AI coming early, moved early, and are now ahead. We are starting to do the same thing with quantum. The future belongs to those who move first. Hit subscribe. I am tracking this story all year. And drop a comment. Do you think this is hype or the real deal? I read every single one.